Thanks for tuning in today to check out how to change the rear power window switch on a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. All right, do you have this problem? Window goes down, window does not go up. It's a very easy fix. I'm going to show you how to pull out the switch and change it. You can buy these switches. I bought mine on Amazon. I'll have a link below for $12.50. So $12.50, I changed them on both sides. I'm going to show you how to change one. It's very simple and easy. The first place you want to pop is right in front of the bezel. Then you can come to the rear, gently slide it in. A little hard because I got a camera in my hand, but pop this out. Just goes to show you how simple this is. Once you get it off, there's going to be a plug. That plug on this side has a release lever. Push in with the release lever and pull it out. See, I'm doing this job with one hand. That's how easy this is. Now for the part that other videos don't tell you what to do. On the sides right here, there are some small clips. They tell you just stick your screwdriver in there and it pops right out. Well, it's not that easy. It's easy, but not that easy. The secret is, on the top of your switch, push with your thumb forward. As you're pushing with your thumb forward, that's when you go underneath these switches to pop it out. Bam, there you go, popped out. As you can see, there's our switch. Now you have an empty bezel. Grab your new switch. With your new switch and your bezel in hand. Let me flip this camera around here. With your switch in hand, all you need to do is make sure you have the front. Take your switch, like so, snap it in. Once it's snapped in, you're going to want to connect it, the same way you took it apart, back to the power module. All right, now we've got our switch and our bezel. We are going to plug this in. Like I said, it's kind of hard to do one-handed, but this job is so easy you can do it with one hand. Snap that in, put that back in place. Just make sure you're lined up. Snap it down, front and back. All right. Now our new switch is in and the window rolls up and down. Isn't that nice? Thank you for watching. Please like this video. I hope you have a wonderful day.